Salinas Valley Memorial Healthcare System, experts in heart care. Home to comprehensive cardiac care, heart patients at Salinas Valley Memorial access prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation services in one integrated network of healthcare. The exceptional quality at Salinas Valley Memorial has led to national awards, independent recognition proving that behind every patient is a dedication to quality.
It's the right thing to do for us. It's the right thing to do for the community. This is where I want to bring my family.
Salinas Valley Memorial's partnership with Stanford Hospital Clinics in cardiac surgery brings the talent and resources of the world-renowned institution home to the Central Coast.
I'll show them my statistics, better than 99% success in a lot of different procedures. But I've done thousands of these and with good results.
That expertise paired with a well-coordinated team is why SVMH is the only hospital in Monterey County to become an accredited chest pain center. The designation means cardiac patients get through tests and life-saving treatment in just 90 minutes or less.
If someone comes in with chest pain and it looks like they're having a heart attack, we can have the cath lab team in there within minutes.
As long as you can treat those people as soon as possible, the outcomes are tremendous. You end up seeing a lot of tissue of the heart. It takes a lot of effort in terms of manpower. If a closed stim is called overhead, a lot of staff members come in, like the supervising nurse, pharmacy, x-ray techs, even staff from the cath lab, and at the same time, the interventionalist cardiologist gets called in.
The medical team at Salinas Valley Memorial Hospital's accredited chest pain center works just as quickly to determine which chest pains are not life-threatening.
The faster we streamline the system, the better for the patient.
Recovering patients work on healing and strengthening their heart at Salinas Valley Memorial's Cardiac Wellness Center, a place David Lazama says guided his road to recovery after a triple bypass surgery at just 42.
It's kind of like a, family, if you will, because we've all experienced the same thing.
Through medically supervised exercise, education, and encouragement, the Cardiac Wellness Center staff helps patients improve their quality of life and reduce the risk of recurrence.
Nobody's really perfect, but this place is perfect. All the individuals that collectively come together, if I had another one, I'd come back. So hopefully I don't have to come back, but, they were all great.
Prevention is the best medicine. Providing patients with state-of-the-art technology for critical care and diagnosis is an important goal at our Advanced Diagnostic Imaging Center.
We have two main pieces of technology. One's a CT scanner, or what we call a CAT scanner. The other one is an MRI scanner. They each have different roles in heart and blood vessel imaging. The first one is a CAT scanner, and we use that for heart artery imaging. You'll detect heart disease years before you would detect it by a traditional stress test, years before someone would have symptoms, and before someone would have a heart attack. So it's really the ideal time so we can do something to prevent it. The other technology that we'll work with is MRI. MRI has the benefits of not using radiation. We're just trying to really improve on patient care. A lot of the technology that we're working with is very new. I hope it says to the community that you've got care that can be delivered here that very few places in the world can provide.
Salinas Valley Memorial is dedicated to cardiac research. Through clinical trials, cardiologists are able to provide patients access to progressive treatment.
I think that the research will give them a glimpse into the future that will hopefully benefit them, but also benefit everybody else in the community.
By improving both diagnosis and treatment of heart disease, the positive impact of SVMH cardiac research stretches worldwide. In fact, the Advanced Diagnostic Imaging Center at Ryan Ranch is Toshiba's primary site in the United States for cardiac MRI research and development. It's world-renowned care right in your backyard. Salinas Valley Memorial Healthcare System, here for you, here for your heart.